Do you like your new ball pit? Do you like it? Crawl around in there? Show Mommy your ball. Ooh. And stick it in there. Oh. And you put it in the hole? Good job, baby. Good job. Here, put one in there. Uh-oh. Push it out. Is that fun? You can do it. You can do it. You let Mommy do one? Good job, baby. Uh-oh, Sonny's gonna get him if we let him fall out.